Are you afraid of failing? Because if you are, you will never do anything meaningful in your life. You will always stay where you are. It's called the comfort zone that will persuade you to stay in there as long as possible and watch your entire life go by instead of pursuing your dreams. Could this be you? If you don't want to change because you're afraid, just do it anyway. So what have you got to lose? Because being afraid will not prevent you from failing. Because failure is part of the journey to success. Are you still with me? If this is you, then I want to show you how to turn your life around by putting all your knowledge and expertise to work for you online, which is so easy these days, by freeing up your life and ensuring you a long-term financial security at a fraction of the cost of a traditional business. Well, learning how to build online income streams with your experience and unique knowledge of authority marketing will enable you to leverage financial security and spend more free time with your family and friends. Because every time the global economy, the traditional economy, takes a whack, which is every year at the moment, the online economy has a boom, which is good news for people who are already online. How do you do that? Well, there'll be a blue Lumbo button down below this video. If you click that, it will take you to my website. And if you shoot me your details, I'll provide you with the same free video series that got me started. If not interested, then fine. You can skip this opportunity, but remember that there's no success without failing if you let fear be your master. There could be a life-changing opportunity you will never regret. So you can either let fear dictate what to do and see what happens. I wouldn't advise that. Or you can embrace it, leverage it, and build online income streams leveraging the new technology and start to build something you love right away. Everything in that blue Lumbo button below will be provided for you. Step-by-step training, but don't let fear be a barrier to stopping you from accessing the digital economy. It's the way forward. It's the future. You know what it is. I don't need to tell you that. Imagine where you could be in 6 to 12 months' time, living your best life, being your own boss with uncapped earnings, traveling the world with your family on your own terms. I can guarantee you'll never look back. So click that little more button and see for yourself. Get educated, talk to me. Looking back, it's the best decision I ever made. It's changed my life. Maybe it's time you transform your life and start to live your best life now. To your success. See you on the other side. Bye.